Okay, so guys, let's look at this other question coming from plants and animals. The diagram below shows parts of a microscope. Question A. Which two labeled parts contain lenses which help to show the image of the specimen? Okay, so the two parts which contain lenses are the eyepiece and objective lens. Eyepiece and objective lens. Okay, so now we are going to identify which one is the eyepiece and which one is the objective lens. Okay, so the answer is K, which is eyepiece, and M, which is objective lens. So the answer is K and M. These are the two parts of a microscope which contain lenses. Okay. Question B. What name is given to the lenses in the part identified in question A above? So in K, the lens which we have in K is magnifying lens. Magnifying lens. So in K we have magnifying lens or eyepiece magnifying lens. So K, magnifying lens or eyepiece magnifying lens. Then M, objective lenses. M, objective lenses. So K, magnifying eyepiece lenses. Magnifying eyepiece lenses. Or can just say magnifying lenses. In brackets you say eyepiece. And then M, objective lenses. Okay, let's look at C. Using the letters on the diagram, identify the part on which a person has to put his or her eye in order to see the image of the specimen. So you as a viewer or observer, where are you supposed to put your eye? So the eye should be put on K, which is eyepiece. So the eyepiece, the function of the eyepiece is where the observer puts his or her eye. Okay, so the answer is K, eyepiece. Question D. Describe the function of the parts labeled, of the labeled parts J and O. J and O. So J, that is the adjustment knob. J, that is the adjustment knob. What is the function of the adjustment knob? So the adjustment knob moves the body tube up and down to bring the image of the specimen into focus. That is the function of the adjustment knob. Brings the body tube up and down to bring the image of the specimen into focus. So that is the answer. Okay, it brings or it moves the objective lens, or it moves, it moves the body tube up and down to bring the image of the specimen into focus. Then O, which is the mirror. So O, that is the mirror. So what is the function of the mirror? So the function of the mirror is to reflect light. So reflects light, or reflects rays of light. Okay, to reflect what? The rays of light. To reflect light. That's the function. So that's a microscope, guys. You're supposed to know. So O, that's the mirror. N, that's the stage. So the function of N, the stage, is where you put the specimen. Then M, that's the objective lens. The function of the objective lens is to magnify the image. Then L, that is the body tube. The function of the body tube, it holds the objective lens. Then J, that is the